A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for owl. P for pin. Q for queen. R for rose. S for ship. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for well. X for X-ray.
Hey, don't be scared. That's not a ghost.
Y for yak. Z for zebra.